Hello everyone, this is Hazel Hildreth again. Welcome back to my vlog. But today, before I start cooking, I would like to shout out Connie Strang, who is requested to let me cook this food today, the Pancit Canton. She said just cook for her so that she will know how to cook. And I would like also to shout out Print to Go for the mug, Simply Cooking mug. Today's cooking, I'm gonna cook a Pancit Canton. My first ingredients is Pancit Canton. It's 55 grams, and also Sutanghon. It's versimilli brand. And then we have a pork that's chopped, cube chops. And we have a salt and magic syrup and a soy sauce. I have cabbage, and I have sayote. Sometimes you can replace it to beans. You can chop the beans. And then I have red bell pepper, and I have carrots and garlic, and then onions. So, and then I prepare the water because I need to soak this so that it will be softened when you cook it. Vegetable oil. Let's get started. I already put the oil. Now I need to put the pork cube. The Thai, you don't need to include that. And then you need to soak it with the water. Okay, and leave it there for a few minutes. Cheese! Okay, the pork is already golden brown. I need to put the garlic. And then the onion. And then you need to stir. It smells so good. Now I feel hungry. Chopped carrots. And chopped sayote, like a cabbage. Stir it. And a chopped red bell pepper. And then you need to stir it. Very colorful. Soy sauce and water. Then I need to put the soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I need to put water so it will soften the carrots and the sayote and the pork. So we will wait until it boils and we'll put the canton. Okay, I have to put the salt, half of tablespoon of salt, and then magic syrup. I do half tablespoon of salt because the soy sauce is already salty, and then the Canton is a little bit salty already, so I put less salt. And then we need to wait until this one is softened. Oh, it's already softened, so we can put the Canton now. Okay, I bend it and put it in. You need to put it little by little because it's too bulky. So I already put all the Canton. I already mix it together with the vegetables. And then after this, I need to put the sutanghon. It's already soaked. Okay, if it's too long, you can cut it. And then you can mix little by little too. Okay, I need to put the cabbage, chopped cabbage. And then I need to mix it. I think I have too much cabbage. This is my Pancit Canton, Filipino Pancit Canton. It's done and it's ready to eat. You can eat with by itself or you can eat with rice. But too much carbohydrate if you eat with rice. But this time you can put also calamansi soy sauce or just calamansi. So right now I put the calamansi soy sauce. They're trying my Pancit Canton. How does it taste? I think they like it. This is almost finished. Charity's almost done eating. Yummy. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll see you next time. Bye. And you can also look at online our Hildreth family vlog. And also Charity Hildreth's vlog and Kind's Hildreth vlog.